Hey guys, just a quick video here to show you my 2016 Mustang GT. It's put away for winter. Right now it's a little bit dirty. I just took the cover off. Just wanted to show you so you guys can hear a cold start from the Ford Performance by Borla exhaust. This is the complete catback exhaust. I got the black tips as well. This is only the dual exhaust. It's not the quad tip like the one from the GT 350. This is also equipped with the Ford Performance Power Pack 2, which includes the GT 350 air intake and the throttle body. It also has a calibration, which is basically a tune, and it feels very nice for what I paid. And it sounds really nice too with the power pack and the Ford Performance exhaust. So here's a little sound clip of a cold start during winter season. And this is an automatic.